we are live, guys. Let me change the camera to June. Yes.
Oh,
Do you see yourself?
Yes.
Yes, guys. Hi, hi. Finally, after 1 hour trying to be live.
I'm dried off now.
She's dried off now, guys. We're gonna do some water and we blow dry her hair. Okay, June, let me just put you some water. Guys, hi.
Hi.
Hi, hi. This is June, my lovely lady. Gonna put some water in her hair. Gonna today blow dry her hair. So June, could you turn so everybody see your chair? This is her hair. She has very, very short hair, as you see, guys. So gonna blow dry her hair today live with you because they are asking me, please, could you do it live? So they want to see it live, the blow dry. So let me just put the camera a little bit down. I'll put it near June a little bit. I think we need to do a little bit like that.
Okay.
Can you see
Yes.
something?
I can see.
Okay, guys, we're going to use two products. Everybody's asking me, what do you use in the hair? Why the hair stays so perfectly? So I'm going to show you my product today, what we are using in hair of June. So let me put the blow dry here. So, and when we go here, this is June hair. As you see, guys, it is very short and she liked it to be nice blow dried in movement and value. So what we're going to use? We're going to use, this is the product. Everybody asks me, what are you using? This is Vivyan Glamour. It's really nice, beautiful, silk protein, vitamin 3. I think you can see it. Vitamin 3 and 6, multivitamin and silk protein for the hair. It gives shine, it has hold and volume in the hair. So you put in your hand, you can put like that, or you just put some in the hair. So, okay. And then I have another product beside me, and it's this one. This is kind of Vivyan Impossible. This is kind of root lift in her hair. Just a little bit, that's all what you need. You don't need too much. And now we're gonna start to blow dry her hair live. So I'm gonna put the camera a little bit here so you can see the back. The way we're gonna blow dry her hair. I'll turn it a little bit like that. Yes, guys, I think you can see it. So put a little bit high. Put the camera a little bit down so you can see everything. Ready? Yeah, she's ready, guys. I'm ready also. So, oh, it's very hot here. Yeah, give it to me, give it to me. We will do it from here, it's better. So, guys, it's very hot in Spain. Sometimes the picture of the blow dry, it starts, so Okay guys, so now we're gonna go here. I'll show you how to do it here. Here, so you can see the back exactly. So it's a beautiful, nice hairstyle. I'll go to the front. Where did you? So blow dry up here. Very long now, what do I do? Are you happy?
Yeah. So with my hair.
Yeah, that's so important. Good. When you don't have a little kid, you're happy as me.
Yeah. Like so.
Yeah. Guys, this is very hot here, so the camera is going to shut down. So now we are blow drying again, guys. It's going on. Blow dry up here. Today, hello. Blow dry up here. Beautiful, lovely hairstyle. We are blow drying her here. So I'm gonna turn her a little bit here. So I'm gonna turn June a little bit. June, could you turn a little bit, please? Hey guys, I'm going to that side so to blow dry her hair so you can see better the way I'm blow drying the side. June, are you ready?
Yeah.
The camera is here. And I want to say
working now, yeah.
Right, I should do right in Vivyan Hermuz. Okay guys, I'm gonna bring the camera here so you can see the result of the blow dry. So guys, we're gonna blow dry this one to the back. I'll bring the camera here. This side.
Need somebody to operate it.
They can see better, yeah. Guys, from this side, it's different. Blow dry over here. Everything is your hair. I like it. The cut makes sweet little bit here. It's very long now. Okay, let me just put this here. Ready? Guys, as you see, I put her all this in her here. Let me turn so you can see. I don't know, can you see yourself?
I see myself. I'm not going
Okay.
like this, am I?
No, I'm gonna turn June so you can see what we did to her hair. June, could we turn a little bit like so, guys? Look
Okay.
at her hair. Turn a little bit more. More. We put all this rolls in her hair. So look at it, guys. I really like it. So you leave it just some 2, 3, 4 minutes, and then they are now a little bit colder. Or you can do it with a blow dryer. Blow dry, guys, with the blow dry. You can also cool it down with the blow dry. It goes faster. that, then we will remove them one by one. And you see you have the curly, beautiful hair into here. Beautiful, look.
Hello.
Hello. See? Now what we're going to do is cool down the hair. Junior, look to the camera. Need the color next week.
Yeah. It's very dark at the back. Is that because you don't get any sun?
Guys, as you see, you like it too?
Yeah. That's better. That's better.
You're back in life now again. Let me see. Okay, guys, so this is her hair by now, so you can comment like that or comment there. She like it a little bit high, Jewel, because it's very hot here, otherwise she's gonna lose all the movement and the value. So we're gonna put some hair lacquer in her hair. Give it a little bit nice on her hair. Next week she's coming for color and cut, and then we will be live to show you how we're gonna color her hair. It's a nice hairstyle, beautiful, amazing, and very easy and modern. She has little bit too, but don't worry, next week we'll color it for her. I really love it, this style. It's easy and nice and beautiful for ladies. Beautiful lady like June. June, can we, but for example, can we turn the chair so everybody can see your lovely hairstyle? So ladies, look at her hair. This is June. Let me show you. Beautiful, nice hair. So, beautiful hairstyle. Lovely hairstyle. Easy and simple, modern, not like massa. It's just a little bit trendy, nice. I really like it. So June, tell me, how do you feel? Are you happy with your hair?
Yes, thank you. Very happy.
I'm also very happy she's today with us. This was June from which country?
Wales.
From Wales, guys. This is from
Wales.
Wales. Wales lady, yes. In Vivyan Hair Design today with us. Thank you very much for visiting us. And guys, don't forget, we're going to be live more so you can see more videos of June coming. So we'll say to everybody there, thank you for watching us. June is very happy. Do you want to say anything to your daughter, maybe?
Hi.
Hi, Janine.
I'm back.
Hi, Leanne. Hi, Janine.
Hi.
This is Mama here today with Vivyan Hair Design. We did her hair beautiful, nice. And we will love to show to you live here. So we'll say to you, thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Be with us. See you later. Bye.